Sakap wears socks and obviously does not like them. Who had the stupid idea to manufacture those socks? And who had the even more stupid idea to buy them? Thank you, Sigrid. Did she get one off?
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna bring food. I'm taking the front ones off.
Trying to shake them off?
Non, ça va, là, c'est torturé, c'est...
Attends, non, je la mets juste droite.
J'avoue pas.
Sigrid, tu passes devant la caméra 2 fois de suite, là.
On dirait un bébé qui apprend à parler.